Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia vehicle. It could be multiple Kia vehicles guys. It could be models such as Kia Optima, Forte Sportage Sorento, Soul, Rio and more Kias. If you want to know when to replace brake rotors, how to know that the discs are bad and they need to be replaced, stay with us, we'll cover that today. Signs of bad discs, when to replace them, all that will be covered in this video. And every time you replace disc brakes or pads, there is one thing that you need to do guys, because if you don't, what will happen? Actually you can crash your vehicle. Make sure to stay until the end. So, let us guys tell us a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We try to take them completely apart and show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else, if you need to buy parts, tools for your Kia vehicle, we'll share the links in the description of the video below where we get all our tools and parts from. Check it out, parts for really good price and quick shipping as well. In addition guys, if you want to save even more money and learn how to fix your car for free, check out our main channel, Auto Repair guys. You can find so much helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars on future car repairs guys. We have helped more than 100 million people on this channel. So let's start on it now. So we have the disc roller removed out of that Kia vehicle. It's on Kia Optima, so we can demonstrate guys. We have the brake caliper removed, disc. Now, in my opinion guys, every time you replace brake pads, replace the rotors. They're so inexpensive nowadays. I can put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them for amazingly good price. The whole set of brakes, rotors, that is just not worth it guys, messing with it. Because otherwise, also it's recommended, if you don't replace the rotor, the disc, every time you replace pads, you need to take it to the machine shop. They need to resurface it, make it smooth, make sure it's even and you don't have high and low spots, or to have a wrapped rotor. So how they know how much to cut it guys? Okay, first, if yours is wore out quite a bit, if you have a lip, you cannot do it. So if you guys have a lip on your rotor, on the inside, on the outside, and the pads kind of like ate it, okay, you probably need new rotor. Another thing, on some of them you may read the minimum thickness. It may be posted somewhere on the rotor here, or on the outside. Or in some cases, okay, you can see there is one lip right here. This is actually the lip that actually tells you if you reach the minimum thickness for that rotor. And on this side, you have exactly the same thing too. There is one lip that will tell you, which is very minimum by the way. Number two, if you guys see grooves, deep grooves on your rotor, you need to replace it. Number three, if you guys see like stress marks or kind of like cracks or even cracks, you can see cracks on your rotor, stop your car immediately, replace it, because if it breaks, you lose your brakes. And another thing, okay, especially if you had your rotors really hot going down the mountain or something, or you deaccelerated super fast on the highway and it was raining, or you hit a puddle or something, when they're hot and you hit water, okay, it can actually cause little bitty cracks and they will look like spots. Most likely guys, okay, the rotor will be done, you need to replace it. So always inspect them, but make sure that they're not too thin. Make sure you follow the manufacturer specifics. Make sure you don't have deep grooves, cracks and stress marks. Now, as I said, I recommend to always put new rotors every time you put brake pads, because it's just not worth it, okay, to risk it guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having a Kia vehicle. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.